Most thumbnail fails because the creator finishes the video, then instead of blank screen, try to think of something cool for a thumbnail. But I use the exact opposite way. I use the video script and generate killer thumbnail ideas using the script. By the end of this video, you will have a repeatable formula for coming up with killer thumbnail ideas. And as a bonus, I'll show you the way I use AI to help me generate title ideas too. So what is a killer thumbnail idea? Killer thumbnail idea means a viewer scrolls through their feed and they see the thumbnail and they want to click. Why? Because there is a curiosity gap. A curiosity gap means the viewer thinks, wait, what does that mean? How's that possible? Something like that. They ask a question. It's a psychological discomfort of knowing you are missing a piece of information you really want. So a thumbnail's only job is to open that gap wide enough so the viewer clicks on the video to close that gap. So let's say you finish a video. You sit down and try to think of a thumbnail idea, and half an hour later you use your video and find a frame and just put some text, maybe an arrow or some UI elements, and call it a day and hope it works, but it usually doesn't. What I do instead of that is use AI to come up with thumbnail ideas. When using AI, you have to be cautious because we are not trying to replace your creativity, we are just speeding up the process to find killer thumbnail ideas, so you can come up with thumbnail ideas quickly without standing at a blank screen. So what I do is take the full script, run it through a prompt. I attached the link down below. Run through the curiosity gap finding prompt and you will get all of the curiosity gaps in your script. After you get a list of curiosity gaps, you are gonna use the second prompt in the X article, which will give you a list of killer thumbnail ideas. The prompt will help you get unique thumbnail concepts from unique angles. All of them are from the script, so you don't have to worry about AI hallucinating on the thumbnail concepts. I'll put the concepts I came up with for this video, and as you can see, all of them have one thing in common. They are extremely simple and all of them have a clear subject, a clear hierarchy. So when you are looking through those killer thumbnail concepts AI gave you, you have to skim through them and find the best thumbnails that are simple and easily understandable. Step 3 of our workflow is all about designing. I have made a full video. I'll link the video to this video where I come up with the thumbnail ideas and design the thumbnail, all of them in a one video. It's a 1 hour long video, so you can check that out and you can see how I go about designing a thumbnail. While designing this thumbnail, you have to be careful when using AI images if you are using them, because you don't want the thumbnail to be overly AI, because people don't trust AI thumbnails. Their psychological thinking will go something like this: they are using AI for thumbnails and it looks cheap, so they think the video is not high quality. So even if you have put hours into your video, a bad thumbnail will almost always kill your video, so be aware of that. So that's basically it for how to come up with killer thumbnail ideas. And as promised in the beginning of the video, here's how I come up with title ideas using AI. It's extremely simple, and the prompt I used will be linked in the X article too. We're just gonna go to the chat we used to generate the thumbnail concepts and the curiosity gaps. You're just gonna paste in the prompt in this X article, and the AI will give you title ideas based on your script and the curiosity gaps in your script. One more thing is, when you are using a AI generated title and thumbnail you designed, you have to be careful because they should always complement each other. Don't use a title that doesn't match the thumbnail. Also avoid using the same thing. If the thumbnail says something and the title says the same thing, and they should be connected but they should contradict each other. So that's it for coming up with title ideas. So here's the full formula: write your script and run it through the AI using the curiosity gap finding prompt. Then run the prompt where you can get unique thumbnail ideas through the AI as well. Now you have the thumbnail concepts and the curiosity gaps. Now it's all about designing. You will design the thumbnail. As I said, I have linked the video, and then you have to come up with title ideas. It's basically that, and the whole process of coming up with thumbnail ideas and the title ideas will take about 20 minutes after you get used to it. If you are a creator taking content seriously but your last few videos haven't performed to your expectations, you should definitely look into your packaging. And if you want me to handle that for you, I do packaging all day long. Book a call with me. If it makes sense to work together, we'll work together, and if it doesn't, you will still have the information to improve your channel. And thanks for watching. Peace out.